17 government vehicles from the VIP security unit carpool were put at the disposal of Dr. N.R. GCSK FRCP, former Prime Minister, for his official and personal use, as well as for use by third parties. In fact, 6 vehicles were put at the disposal of the former Prime Minister for official and personal use. To Part B of the question, I'm informed that 2 vehicles were used by Mrs. V.R., spouse of Dr. N.R. 2 black BMW 523i were used by late Mr. V.C.J., brother-in-law of Dr. N.R., and the in-laws of Dr. N.R., respectively. Mr. Speaker, sir, moreover, 1 vehicle, namely a BMW 735Li, Oxford green in colour, was put up for use by foreign eminent personalities. 2 other vehicles as follows were used by VIPs lodged at Belmar Plage Hotel. Furthermore, 1 vehicle, namely a BMW 523i, was put at the disposal of Mr. Gilles Joseph F. Finally, 1 vehicle, namely a beige BMW, was used by Mr. Charles Jeffrey C. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm informed by the Commissioner of Police that all these vehicles were driven by police officers posted at the VIP security unit.
The acting Prime Minister state was one Nandini S., very close to the former Prime Minister, was also provided with a vehicle from the VIP security unit carpool driven by a VIPSU officer.
Mr. Speaker, I have not been provided with such information. However, I stand informed that there was a previous parliamentary question in this House in the course of the sitting of 1st September 2015, which was answered by late Sir Anirudh Jagnat, then Prime Minister, and the very same question was put as a supplementary, to which the then Prime Minister answered, I understand that this is so. Unfortunately, I have not been provided with such information. In fact, I was surprised to learn that there was an inquiry carried out at some point in time before 2019, and that relevant information pertaining to the list of persons who had been allocated vehicles from the police carpool, together with the services of VIPSU drivers over the period July 2005 to 11 December 2014, were not fully available. And there was suspicion that that was intentional. Unfortunately, the missing information could not be retrieved.